At Onsalus Health, we understand the importance of intimate health. This is why today we'll discuss a common issue: altered intimate flora. Your vaginal flora is a unique community of bacteria, and it is vital for maintaining a good intimate health. When this balance is disrupted, it can lead to discomfort and various problems. Today's video will help you identify signs of altered intimate flora and explore solutions to restore balance. So, let's get started. What is vaginal bacterial flora? Your intimate health hinges on a balanced ecosystem. The vaginal bacterial flora, also known as the microbiome, is a community of microorganisms residing in the vagina. These microscopic residents play a vital role in protecting against infections and maintaining a healthy pH. When this delicate balance is disrupted, it's called altered intimate flora and can lead to various discomforts. Symptoms of altered intimate flora. An imbalance in your vaginal bacterial flora can disrupt the harmony and lead to some uncomfortable symptoms. These can be early signs of conditions like vaginosis or candidiasis. Here are the most common ones: itching and irritation, burning with urination, abnormal discharge, and painful intercourse. Causes of altered intimate flora. Several factors can disrupt the delicate balance of your vaginal bacterial flora. Here are some common culprits. Fluctuations in hormones throughout your life, such as during your menstrual cycle, pregnancy, or menopause, can affect the vaginal flora and lead to imbalances. Hormonal contraceptives can also play a role. An unhealthy diet and periods of high stress can impact your overall health and well-being, and your intimate flora is no exception. Using harsh soaps, douches, or intimate hygiene products with strong fragrances can also disrupt the natural balance of the vaginal pH, creating an environment for harmful microorganisms to thrive. While antibiotics are crucial for fighting infections, they can also wipe out beneficial bacteria in the vagina, tipping the scales towards imbalance. Treatment options for altered flora. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to restore balance of your vaginal flora. Opt for a mild, fragrance-free, intimate hygiene products to maintain a healthy vaginal pH. Avoid excessive washing, as this can remove beneficial bacteria. If you've developed a condition like candidiasis or bacterial vaginosis, your doctor may prescribe specific antifungal or antibiotic medications to address the imbalance. Maintaining a balanced diet, managing stress levels, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can all contribute to a healthier, intimate environment. Consulting a healthcare professional for diagnosis and treatment is crucial. They can provide personalized guidance to restore balance and improve your intimate health. Are you liking this video? Consider showing your appreciation with a super thanks. Tips for restoring balance. Consider incorporating fermented foods like yogurt and kefir into your diet. These foods often contain probiotics. Opt for underwear made from breathable cotton. This allows for better air circulation and reduces moisture buildup, which can create an environment for harmful bacteria to thrive. While antibiotics are essential for fighting infections, remember that they can also eliminate beneficial bacteria. Only take antibiotics when prescribed by a doctor and complete the entire course as directed. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to write your questions or suggestions in the comment section below, and until next time.